Every second, thousands of Oreo cookies are enjoyed around the world. But have you ever wondered how they're actually made?
Our journey begins inside one of the world's most advanced cookie factories.
The process starts with carefully selected ingredients, including flour, cocoa powder, sugar, vegetable oil, and baking soda. The dough is rolled into large sheets with precise thickness for consistent baking. Specialized cutters shape each cookie and imprint the iconic Oreo design. The cookies travel through long baking ovens where heat transforms the dough into crispy chocolate biscuits.
Perfect temperature control ensures every cookie is baked evenly. Freshly baked cookies must cool completely before the cream filling is added.
Meanwhile, the famous Oreo creme is mixed into a smooth, sweet filling. Precision machines place exactly the right amount of cream onto every cookie.
Finally, another cookie is placed on top, creating the iconic Oreo sandwich we all recognize.
Every Oreo undergoes strict quality inspection to ensure it meets the company's high standards.
Advanced sorting machines process thousands of cookies every minute with incredible precision. Powerful cameras instantly detect broken or imperfect cookies before packaging begins. Each package is automatically weighed to guarantee customers receive the correct amount. Next, automated packaging machines carefully wrap the fresh cookies to preserve their crispness. Heat sealing locks in freshness while protecting every cookie from moisture and air. Every package receives production details and expiration dates for complete traceability. Finished packs are automatically arranged into cartons, ready for transportation.
Thousands of cartons are safely stored inside climate-controlled warehouses.
From here, Oreos begin their journey to countries around the world.
After an incredible manufacturing journey, Oreo cookies finally arrive on store shelves, ready to be enjoyed. Oreo continues to surprise fans with exciting flavors enjoyed around the world.
Double-stuffed Oreos contain nearly twice the delicious cream filling.
Golden Oreos replace chocolate cookies with crispy vanilla biscuits.
Mini Oreos are produced using the same process, just on a smaller scale.
Limited edition flavors keep Oreo fans excited with new tastes throughout the year.
Strict hygiene rules ensure every cookie is produced in a clean and safe environment.
Food safety laboratories constantly test ingredients and finished products for quality.
Regular maintenance keeps the production line operating smoothly around the clock. Many factories now reduce their environmental impact through sustainable practices.
Packaging waste is carefully recycled whenever possible to reduce landfill waste.
Advanced equipment helps reduce energy consumption while maintaining high production speeds.
Every day, millions of Oreo cookies are produced to satisfy customers across the globe.
For more than a century, Oreo has remained one of the world's favorite cookies.
Today, Oreo is enjoyed by millions of people in over 100 countries.
Different countries often enjoy unique Oreo flavors created for local tastes.
Packaging designs also vary, depending on regional markets and customer preferences.
Did you know Oreo is one of the world's best-selling sandwich cookies?
From mixing ingredients to final packaging, every step is carefully controlled. Experienced workers continuously monitor advanced systems to ensure consistent quality.
Thousands of cartons leave the factory every day, heading towards stores worldwide.
Within days, fresh Oreo cookies arrive at supermarkets, ready for customers.
Behind every Oreo package is an incredible combination of technology, precision, and teamwork. From simple ingredients to one of the world's most loved cookies, every Oreo is a masterpiece of modern manufacturing. Thanks for watching.